So hi, this is a form in which I'm going to mainly enter details of laptops. So for each laptop, I want to store the device type, which obviously is laptop, manufacturer, make and model. All right. Now this is the form section. This is the hidden section. Within the hidden section, I have one box for universal line name, another one for storing the lowest generic hierarchy, another one for the company variant. Then we have universal line category and universal line ID, and finally a button. So these are the elements that you need. Please attach them to the corresponding variables. As you can see, all of these are string type. Generic hierarchy is generic line hierarchy ID is big integer. Lowest company variant is big integer. Universal line is category is a string. Universal line ID is a big integer. The button need not be attached to any variable. Please make sure if you do not have these AI action form variables, you create them. For the 4 boxes that are there in the form section, you will also need to create universal line variables. Once you are done with this, then let's start looking at the hidden section first. Okay. Now, first and easiest one to populate is a universal line category. This can have two values. It will be either goods or service. You can go to the default value and populate it. Next, the company variant hierarchy. As you remember, we have already stored it here, 16743. Enter the same in the default value. Next is the generic line hierarchy ID. We've already stored it here. Enter it in the default value. Okay. Now these three are done. Universal line ID is what will be generated after the universal line is created. So you can keep that empty. Universal line name. So here what I want to do, and there are many different ways. I mean, you can type in a name and it's not wrong. But what I want to do is when I type the device name, the manufacturer, a concatenation of manufacturer, make and model is a universal line name. This makes it easy. So this I have done through patching. I hope you've looked at enough patching videos to understand how this is done. Please go ahead and try this out. It's simple JavaScript. Okay. So once these configurations are done, then we head on to the button configuration. So in the button configuration, click on add event, find create universal line. Okay. And find TS insert update. The two events, add them here. Make sure create universal line comes first and then TS insert update, because we need the universal line ID for doing the insert update process. Additionally, have auto trigger on submit, enable synchronous execution, enable TC creation checked. Once this is ready, then let's look at configuring the button. So configuring the button, universal line name, AI action form dot universal line name string, that is what is attached to this variable. Description can be the same thing. Line category, we have a hidden variable for line category, another one for line hierarchy and company variant. Please note, you would fill these in lowest generic line hierarchy and lowest company variant hierarchy ID. All right. Once you are done with the input configuration, then you will do the output configuration, which just has one value. Once you do this, you are pretty much ready to save this form, and then remember the general steps. Make sure that if it's an init form, you select the right form. Go to relationship management, transaction style mapping, attach the form so that the form appears on the dashboard. Once you go to the dashboard, click on create universal line. You select laptop, manufacturer, you can see the name is here. All of these values are ready. Click on start, wait till the process completes. Once the process is completed, click here, go to attributes, attribute value creation, universal line, You can see that this new universal line is created. Attach these variables, click on plus and see laptop, vision, HP, and like this, you have created your very first universal line. Thank you.